In this video, we're going to talk about finding local maxima and minima of a function given the graph. So below we have a graph of f, and we're asked to find all local minimum values of f and all values at which f has a local minimum. Now, these kind of sound like the same question, but we need to be careful with the wording. So the minimum values of f means the outputs. So when we're talking about local minimums, okay, we want to see where the graph goes from decreasing to increasing and look around that area. Okay, and we can see that around that area the smallest value or the smallest point is here, right? So that is a local minimum of the function f. What is the value of that? The value of that is our output value, or -3. So we have a local minimum value of -3. We also have one here. And that output, or that value of the function there, is -5. But when it says all values at which f has a local minimum, okay, those become our x values at those points. So that would be at 2 and 4. So if it says what points are the local minimums, we would go from -2, we would have a point at -2, -3, and a point at 4, -5, right? So the local minimum values of f are the y values. The values at which f has a local minimum are the x values. Okay? Let's do something similar with maximums. So here we're given a function, we're asked to find local maximums. For local maximums, it's very similar, but we're looking at where the function goes from increasing to decreasing, right? That's like the highest peak here. So this is our point we're looking at, 0, 4. There's no other local maximums. Okay, there's no other peaks. So we want to find all local maximum values of f. So where is the function at its highest around that area? It's at the number 4. And where is that located? It's located at the x value 0. So that is finding local maxima and minima of the function given a graph.